Hey guys, I'm Zoe. Today I have another example of vectors, question about vectors. This problem says v1, the vector 1, v1 plus vector 2. The sum of this minus twice of vector 3 gets a vector called u. Okay? If we find u, what is the length of u? Okay, we don't have u. We just have here v1 with a coordinate value 2 and 3. v2, you know that the vector, we show vector with this arrow. 3 and negative 2. And vector 3 is negative 1 and 2. We have addition here, subtraction, and the scalar multiplication. Okay, everything we can review today. Okay, how can we do this? Algebraic, we can try this algebraic, okay? Because v1 plus v2, we know that is v1 and v2 tail, and tail is here. If we want to do something, you know that there is a parallelogram method. We can find something here, okay? The result is v1 plus v2. And this is 2 times V3. This is V3. 1 left, 2 up. Okay, double it. Double it is twice, 2 left and 4 up, somewhere here. But it's negative, okay? Negative means subtracting means negative the other side. We can go to other side. This one and adding the result of this gets somewhere here, okay? I show you just first. We can do this algebraic. Okay, how can we algebraic? We know that V1 is what? V1 is 2 and 3. V2, 3 and negative 2. V3, negative 1, 2. Okay. What can we do this? Just adding v1 and v2, okay? 2 vectors we have. v1 and v2. We know that for doing this one, we add the component x to x, y to y. v1 plus v2. Exponent of this is x is 2 plus 3 gets 2 plus 3. 3 plus negative 2, 3 negative 2. How much is going to be? 5 and 1. Okay? This one, v1, v2 is 5 and 1. We can say v1 plus v2 as a vector has this coordinate value somewhere here. This is 5 and 1. Okay, it must be here, right? If we continue this one as a parallel to this one, and this one parallel to this, somewhere here should be. Okay, and the result is this. The result is v1 plus v2 addition of this one. Okay, this is 5, 1, right? Good. Negative 2 v3. Just what is the v3? v3 is this one. Okay, 2 as a scalar times v3 is 2 times the coordinate of this one is negative 1, 2. 2 times negative 1, negative 2, 4. Yes, 2 times the v3 is negative 2 and this. Okay, 2v3, everything is negative 2, 4. What is this? Negative 2 and 4, somewhere here, right? We can just show this with green. Yes. Negative 2 and 4. What is this one? This is twice of V3, right? Actually, it must be, oh, at the same direction. Okay, same direction. Good. Okay, this is 2V3. Okay, we have this addition minus twice of this one. Twice of this one minus of this one means this arrow or this vector to other side. How can we find it to other side? Here is 2 to left, 4 up. Okay, what can we do that? We can say 2 to right, 4 left, 4 down. Here is 2 left, 4 up, 2 right, 4 down, somewhere here. Okay, this can be uh, 2, negative 4. This is negative 2V3, right? Okay, because adding is adding to negative of this one. How can we find the result? The result is V1 plus V2 as a vector minus or plus minus 2V3. What was that? 5, 1. The coordinate of this one, negative 2 plus 2, negative 4. What is the answer? The answer is U, right? We can call this vector U. Vector U is equal to 5 plus 2 gets 7. 1 plus negative 4, negative 3. Yes? This is the result of this one. Okay. What is approximately? It should be 7, negative 1. 7. If here is 7. This was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 here. Negative 3. 1, 2, 3. Somewhere this. Right? I can show you here. This one is approximately. This is U. U is adding of these two minus twice of V3. Okay? 2. 7, negative 3. Okay. It was algebraic of this one. I showed this roughly. Okay, not exactly this. Okay, the last question is, if this is U, what is the magnitude or length of this one? What is the length of this? The length of U is, this is length. We show this one. Length of this one is radical 7 square plus negative 3 square. This is according to Pythagorean theorem. Okay, Pythagorean theorem, because the result of this one, U as a, for example, U is here. Yes, this is right triangle. X square, y square gets this square. Okay. And the length of this one is radical of x square plus y square. X square plus y square. How much is going to be? 49 plus 9. 49 plus 9. 58. 58, 7 something. Yes, 7 point, I have here 615 approximately. Not exactly. The length or magnitude of this one, this is the direction, yes? But the magnitude of U is 7 point something, 615. Okay, good. Hope you like this kind of question. I try to provide you a question with many things, you know, mixing up everything. This is adding of two vectors that we explained before, and subtracting, and this one is scalar times of this one. I showed you here, this is roughly a graph of this one, but this is U is the answer of everything. Okay, as you see, this one V1 plus V2 gets somewhere here. Twice of this one, negative is here. The result is actually by parallelogram is here. The tail is here because everything is in 0, 0. Tail is here and tail is here. Good? Very good. If you want to show this one somewhere else, we can say this. For example, not here on the coordinate system. We can say, for example, this is V1 is 2, 3. Okay. 2 right, 1, 2, 3 up. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Something like this. This is V1. Right? And V1 is here. How about V2? V2 is 3, negative 2. From here, not parallelogram. Tail, head, tail, head. Okay, the next one is V2. 3 and negative 2. 3 to right. 1, 2, 3. Negative 2. 1, 2. This is V2. V1 plus V2. The result is something like here. This is V1 plus V2, right? Okay. V1 plus V2. V1 plus V2 plus negative 2V3. What is V3? 2V3 was, negative V3 was this, 2, negative 4. 2, negative 4, this one. 2, negative 4. Everything is 2, negative 4. Okay, 2 means 2 up, 1, 2. Sorry, negative 2, 1, 2, negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, somewhere here. This is negative 2V3. V1 plus V2 gets this one. This one plus negative V3. How much is the final result? Final result is this one plus this one gets something like this. From tail, head, from tail, the beginning to this one. This is U. U is V1 plus V2 plus negative 2V3, right? You can adding this form, or you can do this one graphically, but very careful, or algebraic. You can do everything with the different methods, the same logic and the same answer. Okay, hope you like this lesson. Please subscribe to channel and share these videos if you think this is useful and practical for you to other students, with other students, because this is free. If somebody has access to internet, can use this free information. I know it not in the US and maybe not in European country, but other countries, there are some countries whose students, especially girls, banned from school. For example, you know which country I'm in. Just please share this one to people who needs this one. Share this one to people, students who have no possibility to go to school, go to high school, and it helps them to just prepare themselves and go and just take a test and get diploma. Okay, it was my goal. Thank you for listening to me and watching my videos, and wish you good luck. Bye bye.